Hello, my friends. In the last session, we have seen what are the different types of citation. Now we are going to watch the usage of citation styles. That is very important. That is the practical class, and I will show you that how you have to give reference for the prose work, poetry, and then drama, fiction, everything. Okay. And first one is how we have to cite a prose work. While citing a modern prose work such as novel or a play, one needs to add a significant information using appropriate reference method. So here, for instance, while we are citing a novel, what are the things we have to give reference? First one, you have to add chapter number and volume number. Chapter number or volume number. While citing a play, you have to give which act or which scene of that play. So there's these kind of details you have to give while you are giving the in-text reference. Okay, while you are giving in the we have seen that author name and then page number. So along with that, you have to give if it is a novel, you have to give which chapter it is and which section it is or which book it is. So there are so many books. So you have to, if the writer has so many volumes, you have to give volume number. And if it is so many section means you have to give which section. So that number of the section or the chapter or the volume you have to give. And if it is a play means you have to give along with the author name and the page number, you have to give the which act or the scene. I will show you how it you have to give the citation for our novel and the play. So here if you see this is for the novel. First page number and then chapter 10, page number 29 and the chapter 10. Here also page number 30 and volume 3. And here page number 64, section 3. If you are giving reference for drama means the Chekhov, page number 20, act 1. So here you have in between semicolon. So you have to give the difference between the page number and the act through the semicolon. Have you noticed here? So this is how you have to cite a prose work. I hope that you don't have any difficulty in giving reference for the prose work, that is novel or drama. Okay, this is how you have to give. So only thing is after page number, you have to give semicolon and then chapter within the parenthesis. Okay. And then citing a verse work. How you have to cite a verse? Verse means poetry. So for giving citation for a poetry, you have to give a line number. You need not give a page number. Please remember that the page number you have to give only for the prose novels and dramas. But for the poetry, you need not give page number. You please give the line number. So book, if they have written so many volumes of book number or volume number you could give along with that the line number. For example, Iliad 7.20. 7 means seventh book and then 20. That is line number is 20. So here one can understand that it refers to book 7 and line 20 of Homer's Iliad. So if you notice, you may understand that how it has to be. So citing a verse work, this is the method. Iliad 720. 7 refers to the book number 7, and line 20 of Homer's Iliad, line number. This is how you have to give reference for the poetry, citing a verse work. Do you understand now? And then, and So this is how you have to give citation for prose work and poetry work. And citation of a text that does not have any stable or fixed page, how we have to give reference. For suppose it is e-book or e-journal, or so for that, in such case you have to give details such as chapter number or volume number in an abbreviated form. That is chapter 3 or volume 3, like that you have to give. Okay, so this is how you have to give citation for prose work, poetry work, and then e-books also. And then making bibliography, that is works cited. How we have to give works cited, that is at the end of the thesis or the research paper, you have to give reference, that is works cited. So how it is to be a source with a single author, how you have to give reference for the book which has only single author. So single author, there is single author. So you have to, as I told you, you have to bring the second name to the first. Okay, first name. And then comma and first no, second name, comma, first name, full stop. Okay, period. That is period. So if it is ready Pradap, that means Pradap must comes first and then ready goes to second name. Okay, so and then the title of the book. Title of the book should be in italics. So after you write the title of the book, put period, and then which edition or publication details, the place of publication, and then the publication company, comma, and then the year of publication. That's all for single author. Okay, and for the, so you may notice here how you have to give reference for the single author. So this is how. So title of the book and then place of publication and then year. Okay, this is very simple if you understand it. Okay, source with two authors. So source with two authors, you have to bring the first author names. If the first author has two names, means the second name must come first and the first name comes later. Okay, and then you put and then you write the second author. Two authors means second author. So second author names. So first author, comma, and then you put second author, and the rest of the thing follows as usual. You wrote for the single author book. Okay, and here you may have a example that how it is a source with two authors name, and then this is how you have to write. Okay, okay, thank you. And the names of, there are two authors. When there are two authors, the names of the two authors are separated with the comma and the second name follows the simple pattern of first name and last name. So this is how you have to give reference for the two authors, so text or source material. A source with three or more authors. So three or more means you have to write three or more authors will require only first author. So if you have three or more authors means that reference must require only first author followed by comma and etal, as that I already told you that etal means any other. So other writers, et and al with in small letter. So that is for a source with three or more authors. A source with single editor. So here you have to mention after the name of the editor, you have to write editor. So, okay, that is the only difference here. A source with single editor. So here, Jabir Jain, it's a name of author. Jabir Jain is the name of the author. And you have to bring the second name, that is Jain first. And then Jabir, comma, and then editor, 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 full stop. Okay, there it is period, and then you write the title of the book and the place of publication and then year of publication. That's all. So that is for single editor. So you just for note down for the book with single author, editor. Okay, this is how. And then here also you have source within two or more editors. This is two or more editors. Okay, this is two or more editors. And so single editor and then two or more editors, we have seen how we have to give reference. And then if it is citing a research paper or an article in a journal, how we have to give reference. So here the citation should present the details of a writer, title of the paper in the quotation, and the title of the journal in italics, and the details of volume number, issue number, year, and page numbers. So when you are taking material from any journal or article, you have to give title of the name of the writer, title of the paper, and then title of the journal, and then volume number, issue number, year, and page number of that article. So this is how you have to give. So example is given here. You just please note down if you are quoting some passages from any other journals. Okay, this is how you have to quote. If it is online journal, means the same thing, but at the end of the reference, you have to give the link of the particular website. This is how. So, citing online resources, you have to give. So, citing an article published in online journal. This is the method you have to follow. So, the name here, the link. So after you finish everything, and then you have to give the link of the website. You have got all your source. Okay, this is how you have to give citing online sources. And also if you have taken a material from book review means, and you have to write that online review shows the details of the reviewer. That means who is the reviewer, name of the reviewer, title of the book reviewed, and the name of the website, and the location of the website, and then publication details, and also so this is a date of publication. So these are all things for online book review. If you got any source from online book review, these are the uh, reference you have to give. So first, name of the reviewer, title of the book reviewed, name of the website, and the location, date of publication, and the location of the publication. So these are the details you have to give for the book review if you got any source from the book review. So if you are citing a website, how you have to cite a website? Websites are published by various organizations, individuals, libraries, and even universities. So, the above example is given from a university website. That is, so here we have given the name of the university, name of the website, year of publication, and the online location. So here you have a model for citing a website. For that is Stanford is a university, and then it is the website of that university, Stanford Encyclopedia of Philosophy, and then year, and then they have given the website at. Okay, this is how you have to give website, year of publication, and the online location. That is online location. So this is how you have to give citation for the websites. And you can even cite ebooks and Kindle edition also, and you follow the same method as uh, we have listed. These ebooks are easily found, and two kinds of online books, that is ebooks and Kindle edition. So here the project Gutenberg is the place and that hosts online books, and hence it is included in the citation. Here you have an example for citing an ebook. So this is Wells and a short. Here this is the company. So Project Gutenberg, who are the host, who is the host to give this Kindles and online books. So you have to state like this way. Okay. So I hope that you understand. this citation styles modules, and you are familiar with how you have to give reference or citation while you are writing in-text reference or full reference. And you please keep doing, and all the best for your thesis or dissertation, whatever you have undertaken to finish your uh, uh, course. Okay, thank you so much, and I will meet you in the next class with some other subject. Thank you.